Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Mojave Mist Spa. We wanted to showcase what we do differently as a misting company. So we're welcoming you to check out a job, one of our favorites here at the Foothills. Welcome to the Foothills. So some special things about this job. You'll see that there's not many misters on the patio, but we have a lot of cooling effects in this backyard. Most of it is fog effects all throughout the yard, past every walkway, ingrained around the pool, around the raised deck, and there are some misters back by the seating area out there. So a really unique job in the sense that there's not a lot of misters on the patio, but this whole yard is going to be a lot cooler. Now obviously we worked a lot with the contractors around putting our misters underneath the turf, underneath the stone and rock formations to give it a really clean, elegant look, which really pulls off the whole backyard here. So if you're looking for a misting system that's not a cookie cutter misting system that doesn't look like everyone else's out there, trust us at Mojave Mist Spa to create your entire outdoor oasis.